Today we are going to learn how to create these documentary style parallax videos in the style of Nitish Rajput.
देखिए न्यूयॉर्क में सी गेट नाम से एक गेटेड सोसाइटी है। यहाँ पे इमिग्रेंट जूस कम्युनिटी ज्यादा रहती है और इसी कम्युनिटी में से एक जूस जो कि आसपास के पार्क में घास काटता था, इसके घर में 28 जनवरी 1953 को एक लड़का पैदा होता है जिसका नाम ये जेफरी एडवर्ड एप्स्टीन रखते हैं।
I have broken this video down into 4 unique scenes. Let's get started with the first one. Coming over here in After Effects, let's start with a solid layer. Let's keep it as black. I'll just name this as BG for background and just press on OK. Now on top of this, we have to add the image of New York. For this, let me drag and drop it to a timeline. Press on S for scale and let's keep the size to 50%. Perfect. If you want to get access to all these assets along with our project files, you can check out the Patreon. The link is in the description. Next, in order to highlight the city, we have to create a border around it. For that, let's head on to the pen tool. Ensure that no layer is selected. See, in case a layer is selected, we'll end up creating a mask. We don't really want that, right? We want to create a shape. So that's why ensure that no layer is selected. And using the pen tool, let's make a point over here. Let's start making points on the sides like this. You don't really need to be very precise. We can add the feather later on. And let's close the shape over here. Perfect. We'll call this layer as the green highlight. And I'll parent this to our first layer. I'll just call it as cityscape. Okay. Next, we don't really want the color to be red. So I'll just go to the top and make it no fill for now. Nice. Next, in order to create a highlight around the city, let's take a copy of this. We'll call this as the green stroke. Perfect. We'll make all these changes later on. For now, let's head on to the animation. So for this, we'll start by adding the null layer. Let me add a null object. Let's parent our cityscape to the null like this. Perfect. Now selecting the null, press on S, holding shift, also press on P. Let's come somewhere over here at 3 seconds. Let's add keyframe with the properties. Let me zoom in a bit. Perfect. And let me go over here at 1 second. Zoom in completely like this. Let's also play around with the position. Perfect. Let me see. Nice. Now selecting both the keyframes, press on F9, going to the graph. Let's drag both these points towards the left, like this. Let's see. Nice. I feel we can do one change. Rather than going all the way to the left, at this point, it can be over here, like this. Okay? That way you can just zoom out like this. Perfect. So let me add the audio over here. Let's hear it together.
देखिए
न्यूयॉर्क में. So at the beginning, we have to add the word New York over here. Let's do that quickly. Coming to the top, select the text tool. I'm just going to write New York, selecting all. Let me change the color to white. Let's bring it to the top over here. Increase the size. Perfect. I feel we'll do one thing. We'll drag the city a little down over here so that this text is properly visible. Let's see, this is better. I'll keep the text in the center like this. Right click, go to layer styles and let's add the drop shadow. Perfect. Let's increase the spread. Let's increase the size. I'll play around. I'll decrease the opacity to around 30. Nice. Next, let's add some animation over here. We'll add the opacity. Going back, we'll also add little blur. So coming over here, let's open this up. I'll keyframe in the offset. Going to 1 second, let's make it 100%. Now reduce the opacity to nil, keep the blur to around 5.
देखिए न्यूयॉर्क में
Okay, I think it's still quite slow. I'll reduce the duration from over here. And finally, in order to add some randomness, you can turn on the randomizer.
देखिए न्यूयॉर्क में
Okay, I want the end to appear first. So I'll do one thing. I'll just play around with the random set. Perfect. Let's see.
देखिए न्यूयॉर्क में
Nice. Selecting both the keyframes, I'll just press up F9 for easy ease. So we're done with the text animation. Let's see the first seconds.
देखिए न्यूयॉर्क में सी गेट नाम से एक गेटेड.
Perfect. Now at this point, let's connect our text to the null. That way, when we zoom out, it becomes small as well. Select.
सी गेट नाम से एक.
So now over here, when we zoom out, at this point, we have to ensure that this vanishes. So press on T for opacity. Our keyframe somewhere over here. Let's say from here till here, we'll just make it alt nil. Let's see.
सी गेट नाम से एक गेटेड सोसाइटी है.
So now next, when we zoom out over here, we have to first of all write the name Seagate over here. But before that, let's play around with the highlights. So firstly, we have this green stroke. So coming to the top, let's add a stroke of 5. Perfect. Let's also change the color to green. Now press on S, increase the size a bit. Now let's apply the stroke around the city. For this, coming to the top, let's keep the stroke at around 5. Okay, looks perfect. So when you zoom in like this, we'll apply the stroke. So for that, let's go to the drop down over here. Then we turn on the trim paths. Perfect. Let's make this 0. Add a keyframe at the beginning, somewhere over here. If I increase this, it goes from this way, right? We don't really want that. We have to change the offset. Let me see. Yeah, this is perfect. See, we get a highlight. It starts from over here and then it covers the entire city. So let's delete this. Let's drag it over here. At this point, let's take it all the way to the end. So if I go back, this should reduce. Perfect.
सीगेट नाम से एक gated society है यहाँ.
Nice. Next is the highlight over here. So again for that, same thing. We'll select this. We have to change the color to green. So I'll just copy this color. Selecting the highlight. Let's add green color over here. Let's turn this on. Perfect. If the opacity is 100, it will look something like this. So we'll do one thing basically. Somewhere at this point, we'll add keyframe over here. Make this as nil. Going a little ahead, we'll make this as 100. No, not really 100, maybe around 40. And again at 3 seconds, when you stop, or maybe a little ahead, we make this as nil. Perfect. And then for the stroke, selecting is, let's again press on T for opacity. Okay, at this point when we reveal this, and then at this point when we reveal this, we can just make this vanish. Let's see.
A gated society है यहाँ पे.
Perfect. Now over here, let's write the word Seagate. You are aware how to write the word, right? So I will just do it myself and then we'll just proceed. Okay.
Seagate नाम से एक.
See, the word is coming when the word New York is still in front of us. So I'll just do one thing. Just drag it a little ahead.
Seagate नाम से एक gated society है.
Perfect. So let's have a look at our scene 1.
देखिए न्यूयॉर्क में सीगेट नाम से एक gated society है.
Perfect. We're done with our scene 1. Now let's move on to our scene 2. Over here, we have to split the screen. For this, we can just select our video. Now going to the top, let's select the rectangle tool. Zoom out a bit. We have to create a mask over this. Let me create one. Perfect. So opening this up, let's say at this point, we'll add a keyframe in the mask path. Let's zoom in more. Going after 2 frames or maybe like 4 frames ahead, we have to make this smaller. So first of all, press on V, select both these points and drag them towards the center. Like this. Okay. We'll repeat the same steps over here. Let's drag them towards the center. Perfect. Let's zoom in. Yeah, looks pretty neat. Next, you have to just click on invert. Now we just need to make one change. Just replace this. This one should go over here. This one can be at the beginning at 3 seconds. And coming over here, just click on inverted. That way if I see from the beginning.
Gated society है यहाँ पे immigrant.
Let's add some feather. We can increase the feather a bit. Perfect. Nice. Let's have a look now.
नाम से एक gated society है यहाँ पे immigrant.
Now let's add the next video over here. I'll just drag and drop it like this. Let me see.
यहाँ पे immigrant.
Looks perfect, right? So next, along with this, we also have to add a tree on the right. So to add the tree, again, let's drag and drop this over here. Press on S. Let's make this small. It should be somewhere like this. So the reason why you're adding the tree is that this will act as a transition between our scene 2 and scene 3. So now if I see this, yeah, looks pretty perfect.
यहाँ पे immigrant.
Okay, looks pretty perfect. One thing that we're going to do over here is add text on the bottom. Let me do that.
Society है यहाँ पे immigrant Jews community.
Perfect, looks pretty neat. So in this way guys, our scene 2 is complete. Now let's transition to scene 3. So for that, first of all, we need to make sure that this layer is 3D. Okay, also the tree is 3D. Next, let's right click. Let's add the camera. Perfect. In order to handle the camera, we'll also add a null object. Let's make that 3D as well, and let's parent the camera to the null. So now somewhere over here at 6 seconds, let's shift everything to the left. So selecting this, let's press on P, add a keyframe. From 7 to 8 seconds, we'll drag everything to the left. Okay, like this. Let me see.
इसी community में से
I think this is too fast. I'll just drag it to 8 seconds. Okay. We'll also turn on the motion blur for all these layers. Let me see. Perfect. Now let's add a third image over here. This is the background. Let's place it like this. This should be behind the tree, right? So first of all, let's press on S, increase the size a bit. Now let's press on P for the position. Right, first of all, we have to make this 3D. See, it vanishes, but not an issue. Just press on Command and Home. This will bring it back. Next, we have to overlap the tree on top of this, right? So we'll do one thing. So at this point, let's split the tree. Just press on Command Shift and D. Let's try this up. It should be above the background. Perfect. So now when we shift to the right.
इसी community में से एक juice जो कि आस-पास के
Perfect. So let's select both the keyframes. Press on F9. Basically, at this point, it should be the fastest. So let's open this up. Let's keep it like this. Okay. Let's see.
इसी community में से एक juice जो कि
Okay, at this point, I'm just going to scale this up a bit more. Let's see. Perfect. And now going to the top, selecting the layer, let's create a mask like this. Nice. Let's see here.
community में से एक juice जो कि आस-पास के park
Next, on top of this, let's add the man who is working over here. Okay, let's again make this 3D. Let's press on Command Home to bring this back. We'll press on S, increase the size. Okay, let's keep it over here. Maybe a little more. Perfect. Let me see.
से एक juice जो कि आस-पास के park
Next, in order to add some glow to him, just take a copy of this. On the bottom one, we'll add the dip glow effect. Let's go over here. Okay, I'll reduce it down to 0.3. Perfect. Let's see.
juice जो कि आस-पास के
Nice. So at this point, we have to zoom in on him. So for that, we'll add one more null object. Okay, let's make it 3D. Let's parent the first one, this one, basically to this. And now before this animation ends, at this point, we'll again press on P, add a keyframe from here. So till this point, let's zoom in on him a bit, little on the left, like this. Okay, at this point, it can be little up. Perfect. Over here, let's add the word gardener. I'll just do it myself.
में घास काटता था इसके घर में 28th of
Perfect. Let's see the next scene.
इसके घर में 28th था इसके घर में 20
So again, when he says iske ghar mein, we have to zoom out. So for that, I'll add one more null object. Let's keep it at the top. 3D. Let's parent it over here. Now before this point over here, we'll add keyframe position. Coming to the right, just shift this over here. That's it. Okay, let me see.
था इसके घर में 28th of January 1953 को
Perfect. Again, I'll add the text over here. Let's see.
इसके घर में 28th of January 1953
Perfect. Let's see the scene.
ज्यादा रहती है और इसी कम्युनिटी में से एक जूस जो कि आसपास के पार्क में घास काटता था इसके घर में 28th of January 1953 को
Perfect. We are done with the three scenes. Now let's work on the last scene. For it, first of all, we need a null object. I will drag it to the top. Let's make it 3D. Let's parent our null 10 over here. Perfect. So let's hear the audio.
of January 1953 को एक
So at this point, we're going to zoom out. So let's press on P for position. Add a keyframe over here. Let me see the keyframes at this point. Perfect. So we add a keyframe before this keyframe ends. And then going forward till this point, let's simply zoom out a bit like this. Perfect. And let's also drag this to the right and little up. Selecting both the keyframes, just press on F9 to ease ease.
53 को एक लड़का पैदा होता है जिसका नाम ये जेफ
So now when you're zooming out over here, at this point, we also need to add the last background. For that, I'll just add this background over here. Perfect. Let's make this 3D. Press on Command Home to center it. Press on S. Let's make it big. Okay, we'll keep it something like this, such that we can see him outside. I think let's decrease the size, right? This guy, I can further decrease his size. Let's drag it a little to the right, a little up. Perfect. Let's select this. We can increase the size of this. Perfect. And now a little on the right. Nice. Let me see. Perfect. So now let me see, when we're zooming out, at this point, we have to make this visible. So let's press on T, add keyframe, drag this ahead. Now going back, let's make this as nil. Maybe let's drag it a little earlier. Let's see. Perfect. Let's see this.
को एक लड़का पैदा होता है जिसका नाम
Now let's add a lady on top of this. It will come somewhere over here. Then in order to remove this background, we have to do some rotoscoping. So just double click on this over here. Let's select the object select tool. Let's zoom out a bit. Let's select this entirely. This as well. This. Perfect. I think we are good to go over here. Okay, this looks perfect. So now going back over here, we have to add this as well. And her specs as well. Let's see it from the beginning.
1953 को एक लड़का पैदा होता है जिसका नाम ये जेफरी एडवर्ड.
Okay, perfect. Let's close this. Perfect. So now let's make this 3D as well. Let's press on Command Home to center it. Okay, so at this point, let's press on P, drag it over here. Where is this pad? P, it should be more than that, right? Perfect. Let's press on S, increase the scale, keep it over here. Perfect. Let's see now.
53 को एक लड़का पैदा होता है जिसका नाम ये जेफरी एडवर्ड एप्स्टीन रख.
Perfect. And finally, we'll add the glass over here. For that, coming to your top, select the pen tool. Coming somewhere over here. Let's create a shape like this. Perfect. Let's press on T for opacity. Keep it 50%. Okay, it should go behind this background. Nice. So now when you zoom in at this point, it should become visible, right? So let's add a keyframe in the opacity. At this point, just make this as nil. It should go a little back. Let's press on S and increase the scale. Let me see now.
1953 को एक लड़का पैदा होता है जिसका नाम ये जेफरी.
Perfect. And finally, we'll add a text over here.
देखिए न्यूयॉर्क में सीगेट नाम से एक गेटेड सोसाइटी है. यहाँ पे इमिग्रेंट जूस कम्युनिटी ज्यादा रहती है और इसी कम्युनिटी में से एक जूस जो कि आसपास के पार्क में घास काटता था, इसके घर में 28 ऑफ जनवरी 1953 को एक लड़का पैदा होता है जिसका नाम ये जेफरी एडवर्ड एप्स्टीन रख.
Perfect. So in this way, guys, we have completed all the 4 scenes. I hope you would have loved the video and got to learn something new. If you want to support the channel, you can check out our Patreon. And if you loved the video, make sure to like it. I'll catch you very soon next time.